In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom titles for different selling platforms when you're building a listing on List Perfectly. You'll want to start with opening the listing in your catalog. When you're building your title up here under Listing Title, it will tell you that you have 140 max characters. That's within List Perfectly. But each individual selling platform has its own max characters. Next to the title where it says Show All Titles, if you click and highlight that, it will drop down the different platforms that have the different max characters. And it will tell you that Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, and Amazon all have 80 max characters. Facebook has 99. And Grailed only has 60. So if you want to save yourself some time while you were cross-posting, and you do cross-post to Grailed, you can change your Grailed title right here on your List Perfectly listing, so that when you push the listing out across several platforms, Grailed's title will be different from everyone else's, and you don't have to concern yourself with the title being too long or over 60 max characters. You can see where it has already cut it off to show you where you ran out of room. But if you wanted the word denim in your title, you could add denim here rather than the word ripped. However you want your Grailed title to look. And then you push update. And when you push this item out or cross-post it to different platforms, you will see that Grailed's title is going to be slightly different than the rest. Now you can use this for titles other than just worrying about the max characters. If you wanted to have different titles, different keywords or descriptions on the different selling platforms based on the customer base there and your business model. It is important to keep in mind that the custom titles for different marketplaces is only available on the business and pro plans.